Greetings, everyone. Today we are going to trade the futures market called the Russell 2000. I am going to let you in on my personal strategy using support and resistance lines, moving targets, and moving stop losses, and of course, a little bit of intuition. Let's do this. It is 8:29, just 1 minute before the mayhem starts, before everything starts. The first thing you want to do is get a sense of where the market is going. Looking at the 800 ticks chart, it does seem that there has been a very profitable movement up, and now the market is somewhat trudging itself back. And it does seem that it's possible that it could reverse. Wow, 829. Did you see that? Did you see on the 200 ticks chart how it's pushing really quickly? Does it mean the market might eventually go back up? I'm not really sure. I normally wait a little bit before getting into a trade. Let us see. Let me wait. Let's see. Now, something we can also probably notice is that maybe this is a consolidation period. There has been a lot of consolidation period recently. In a consolidation period is a vicious cycle in which the market bounces from one high to one low. Ooh, possible that this could be a good trade. If this works and there's confirmation. So this was a good signal here, but we're not getting the confirmation, interestingly. Price action just didn't continue. Oh, it's possible. Okay. Okay, I'm in.
Order filled.
And then let's see what will happen. That being said, if price action doesn't cross this low, cross it decisively, then we know it's not going to work out. It would have to cross this decisively. See, right now it's in a holding pattern. Is it going to reverse back?
Order filled.
It's going to reverse back. Wow. Is it going to continue reversing, or is it going to go back down?
Order filled.
Wow. See that? See this? Push down, then reverse back. Let's see. If it were to cross this line again, that would be amazing. If not, we have to exit. That was a good trade. Should have exited quickly. Didn't. That's on us. Okay. That is on us. That was a good trade. We did not exit quickly. That's really on us, to be honest. That's on me.
Order filled.
So right now, I'm not quite sure. See right now, you have price action get not crossing this moving average, which is exemplified here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see. Is it going to continue its rise? It does. We're in good shape. Price action at least gets here. That'd be amazing. Let's get ready to exit if it doesn't push forward. Crosses this line, push forward, that'd be amazing. Ooh, wow. Okay. If it pushes forward, breaks the previous high, that'd be amazing. But if it reverses, indecision. If it touches this, we are good. Touches this high, we are good. Whoa, no, oh no. Okay, there is some indecision here. Do you see that? It's not crossing the previous high. It's slowly dwindling. Push it, as they say, push it real good. But I'm getting ready for an exit. Getting ready for an exit here. It's not giving me the sign of momentum. Okay, it's touching this line but not crossing it decisively. See here, it's touching it but not crossing it decisively. If it reaches here, we've made our money. At least break even, because we did have a loss. Okay. Now cross this line and give us a break even, and anything from here to further, that would be our profit. Sometimes we get a profit, sometimes we don't, right? Small profit. Small profit. Profit. Is it gonna push past the previous high? If it touches this, we should exit. Okay, there's indecision here, you see that? Is it gonna push further? That would be wonderful. Be marvelous. 17. 1 point is here. From here, 1742. Man. I think this might be the end of the line. This might be the end of the... Whoa. This might be the end of the line. If it doesn't push this through. Can you see this indecision right now? This is a point where if we were to exit right now, I would not be mad. But it could still push forward. Could still push forward. We don't know yet. We don't know yet. It might see it does it all the time. Does it all the time. Does it all the time. Is it gonna push? 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 Is it going to push past the previous high? No, it's not doing it. But it's definitely not giving us the signals to exit either. So let's hang on. Let's hang on. Wow, what an amazing trade. What is going on here? Life smileth upon us this morning. Okay, you will take a monte, mon cher. You already did it. Let's go. Okay, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. That's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot. I was like, okay, okay, okay. You clearly were done. But think about it. That's an amazing trade. I'll be honest. I'm not happy with myself with this one here. Gerard, you, for example, this one, you recognize that you had to leave. So let's do one thing. Let me see if there is a. Try to do this here. Let me draw this line and see if there is a previous. Okay. So it would have been hard for me to equate this to a previous support resistance line. But man, when I got here, I knew that, for example, that's a very good candlestick formation. It would have been nice to see that it coincides with a former support resistance line, but then it took us a little bit of courage to exit this one. Now, when did I know that it was gonna have that? Look at that, sometimes it's probably still going. Here on the 400 chart, and that's one of the reasons why I like to trade with different time frame. Here, there's almost I don't see I honestly do not see a signal to enter a trade. But here, yes. And what is it, you might ask? Simple moving average crossing, not just the 7th, the 11th, and the 20th simple moving average period. And then give us confirmation here. Crossing all those different simple moving average. I think this is 40, 70, and this one is a little bit a bigger period one. And consistently reaching it until, of course, it foundered here. And then guess what? The reversal, as we predicted. The fact that we held is amazing. Very proud of the work that we've done. So this is the analysis. The analysis is that, oh man, not happy about this trade. But same thing here. You see this from 2007, 2002. That's a good 4 point. Here you have price action crossing the simple moving average. And then you have my favorite simple moving average, which is the second period moving average, a smaller one, which always trails by price action. This one decisively crosses all the other ones here as well, meaning crosses here, get confirmation, enter here. You get 4 points. Gerard, exit. You get a good 4 point exit. So even though, okay, the good thing is we didn't lose a lot of money. It was a short loss, a small loss, but we didn't need a loss. It could have been one of the cleanest trade sessions of all time. So always something to work on, decisiveness and your intuition, following your intuition, saying, this is done here, get out of here. Then lastly, this, can you think about it? This is almost some form of symmetry, or as they say, symmetry. See how price action crosses the blue line, 7 period average, red and purple. Same thing here. Look at that. Blue line cross, red and purple, then crosses this, which is the 40 period moving average, and then just trails up and gives us our glory, which we deservedly. But here, honestly, you did not need to lose that money. Okay, this is our trade today. Remember, if I can only trade for 10 minutes, I will only trade for 10 minutes. I don't need more than that. Because as you know my strategy, you know my motto. All you need is just one good trade. Have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow.